Hello everybody, it's Emily and I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to be opening up the stuff that I ordered. I'm going to open this package up. This is the package from Good Fare. It looks like this, and yeah, I just got it today. It actually came in really quick. It came in like 2 days. I ordered like Thursday, it came in Saturday. So yeah. Okay. So this is what it looks like. Okay, this is what it looks like. Okay. I don't know about these. This is the first shirt. What? Okay. This is the second shirt. What? I'm so confused. That's the third shirt. This one's kind of cute. Okay, I'm super confused. This was so weird. There literally was like not any good shirts at all. It's so weird. I'm gonna have to look into it more. That was not what I was expecting, and not worth $20. So today is Monday. I was supposed to get like 6 packages in the mail today, and I only got 2. There's just, I guess, a lot of delays with the mail. So this video is gonna be a lot of parts. It'll probably be through the week because I don't know when my packages will be coming in. So I'm going to be wearing a lot of different outfits. Saturday I did open up my Good Fare package, which actually came in super quickly. I was super confused by that whole package. I was just under the impression that they were going to be putting t-shirts with actual logos, not just like random t-shirts that you like pass over at the thrift store. Like, I wouldn't be spending $20 on that if I knew it was going to be those type of t-shirts. Okay, hi you guys. It is me editing this video, and I realized that I didn't really make an intro, and I didn't know that this video was not going to be as long as I thought it was going to be. I feel like I should have made a huge haul of stuff that I had gotten in the past couple of months. I didn't really order that much stuff the day that I went online thrifting, so there was not a lot to show. But I just wanted to hop in this video because I just wanted to say that I didn't read the description of the Surprise t-shirt bundle. I didn't read the description, and I'm just gonna read it really quickly to you. So it says, think of these tees as something you paint in. Some are great, some are terrible, most are mediocre. They are cheap tees that serve a utility and help the planet since we didn't have to make more. If you're buying overpriced, mass-produced graphic tees, you're doing it wrong. Our collection of pre-loved tees are wonderfully obscure and always authentic, allowing you to celebrate your individuality without catering to what the fast fashion gods deem super cool this season. We can't guarantee which random design we'll receive. We can promise, however, that each of these styles is ready for action. Consider each purchase a step towards keeping clothing out of landfills and creating a cleaner planet we can be proud of. So I didn't really read the description really well. I just was like under the impression that I was gonna be getting like, I didn't even really necessarily expect like a cool band tee or anything, because I read that it wasn't like guaranteed that it would be really cool. But I was under the impression like at least it'd have, because in the picture it shows a Hard Rock Cafe like logo. So I thought it would be like maybe like Hard Rock Cafe logos, those type of shirts, like Cole University shirt, like a Yale, Harvard shirt, you know, those like trendy shirts, or like a Harley Davidson shirt. But like I said, I didn't read the description, and they say that they just throw in random shirts. So that being said, it was kind of my fault. They also don't do returns, but you can pay like $4 shipping and they'll ship you out more. So I might end up doing that, but I don't know when I'll do that, so that won't be in this video. I don't know what I'm going to do with those shirts, and I don't just want to throw them away. Obviously, I'm probably just going to donate them, but for sure, I'm probably going to be making some face masks for like my family and stuff. That's what I'm going to be doing with some of the shirts, but for the most part, they were just like not great at all. If you need shirts for like projects, or you need like extra painting shirts or something, I don't necessarily think it's a really good deal, because you can go to Goodwill and get a couple of shirts for like $3.99 each, and I feel like it might be cheaper that way. But then again, I don't know, it's just a cool concept. If you like don't care and you like any type of t-shirt, then I guess you could do that. But like I said, it wasn't worth it to me. Spending that money was my fault. I didn't read the description very well. So the bundle that I got, I would not recommend buying it if you're trying to sell for Depop shops. I would recommend like looking for other websites that specialize in specifically vintage, trendy t-shirt type of stuff, because that is not it at all. But I know that they have a bunch of other really cool things, which I wouldn't doubt would be like really cool to get. Like, I know they had like flannels and hoodies, and like even the tie-dye shirts I feel like might have been a little bit better. So yeah, just wanted to hop in and say that really quickly. I feel like one of those trendy, quirky YouTubers who like does one of those pop-ins with a webcam. That's what I'm doing right now, because I don't feel like making a video sitting down talking about it, and it was just like straight to the point. I just needed to be straight to the point. So yeah, literally please read every description of everything ever, because I've been also doing that a lot lately where I don't read the description and I end up like just getting something wrong. So read the description of everything, even photos, even this video, because you never know what information you might find. So yeah, okay, back to the video. Go ahead and open this package. I had actually ordered some other stuff off of Depop before I even did this video, so I'm not even sure what this is. I think it's my black brandy floral shirt. Oh no, actually it's my white one. Oh my gosh, she put so many stickers in here. Okay, I just got this little brandy shirt. I had actually ordered some stuff from Brandy before everything kind of went down, and then like 5 days later I found out that they closed their website and they were canceling orders, so I didn't get to get anything I wanted. So I went on Depop and I found two of the things that I wanted. So I found this little white shirt. It's super cute. It's just a plain little white shirt, but anyways, she put a lot of cute little brandy stickers. Oh my gosh, this one is so cute. I got this one. Oh, there's two. London, this one. I've never seen this brandy sticker. There's some brandy stickers in here that are actually like pretty cool. I've never seen. Speaking of brandy, I just want to go on a little rant about Brandy on Depop. This is actually a Brandy shirt, and I found out that this is a rare shirt, and I'm thinking about selling it. I don't know. But anyways, Brandy people on Depop are crazy. I saw this girl, and I was trying to put the TikTok in the video about this girl talking about how like crazy Brandy girls are on Depop.
Okay, so like 2 days ago, I wore this leopard print tank top to make a TikTok. And so like I got a comment that's like, oh, this is rare. So I was like, let me list it on Depop. And so like, you know what, I thought like maybe I'll get like $30 for it or something. No. Like 12 different girls asked, can I trade with you? Can I buy it from you? So I'm like, I need to think about it to all of them. And then they all say, oh my god, are you going to trade with her? Are you going to trade with her? And start fighting with each other and fighting me over this tank top. And then they start threatening me. And then they start offering me hundreds of dollars for this tank top, even though I said, sorry, I decided like I'm not going to sell it to any of you. And then I end up trading it to some girl, doing it like really discreetly so they won't threaten me. And then the girl finds the listing that I bought and says, I can't believe you sold it to her. Like, how dare you? Like, it's a tank top.
No offense to the Brandy girls. I love Brandy myself, but literally the girls at Depop will resell Brandy stuff for like 2 times over how much it actually cost. And I'm just like, what? Like literally all the stuff that I was looking for that I had bought on Brandy, like this shirt was like $18, and I saw some people selling this shirt for like $30. It's like, what? You can literally just go Brandy or buy it on the website, but right now I guess it's more in demand because Brandy closed their website and they're not shipping out any orders. So I can understand right now, but like even before everything went down and they closed their website, just insane. So beware when you're buying on Depop. If you're ever buying Brandy stuff on Depop, sometimes it's cheaper just to get it on their website. Oh, here's another sticker. She put a lot of really cute stickers in here. I've never seen any of these at the actual Brandy store. Next one I'm really excited about is these Doc Martens. So these are the Doc Martens. Spoiler alert, I literally ended up getting nothing that I needed, but it's kind of like actual thrifting. Like I didn't find anything I needed on Depop, but I did find a lot of other cool things that I liked. So I feel like that's kind of how thrifting also goes, like in real life. So here they are. They're actually super light. They're kind of dirty though. But this is what they look like. They're super light. If anybody has these, let me know if they're actually this light or like these are fake. I always get so skeptical and so paranoid that like stuff is fake. But yeah, this is what they look like. They're dirty, but anyways, they're really cute. That is everything that I received today. Like literally I said I had like so many packages coming in, like even other stuff that I had ordered like at the beginning of last week, and usually stuff with Depop comes in like super quickly. Even like anything with like USPS tracking or mail usually comes in super quickly, like 2 to 3 days. But I guess since like everything's crazy right now and it's not normal, I guess stuff is like taking a little bit longer. So yeah, I do have a couple of other things that I'm going to show you guys, but I guess that'll have to be another day because I just don't have it right now. And that was kind of the whole point of this video, was showing you guys what I got. Okay, you guys, I got some more packages today. It is Tuesday, Wednesday? It's Wednesday. Yesterday, I got this package in the mail, I think. I got this little Brandy shirt from Depop. It was another one of the shirts that I was gonna buy from Brandy, but actually it was brand new. I took the tag off. But it was originally $22. This was one of the shirts that everybody was selling, super expensive, but I found it for a good price, so I got that. And in the package, she wrote me a little thank you on this really cute paper. I'm gonna go ahead and open this package first. I think this is the tie-dye shirt. I try to reuse most of my mail packaging. How? Oh my gosh. Oh, are you kidding me? Why am I not doing it somehow, some way? Here it is. A little thank you note. So this is what it looks like. Super cute. It's gonna match my hair really cute. I might end up cropping a little bit more. I don't know, but there's that. Next thing is the shirt from Weheartit. I think it's the Joy Division shirt. It's the Joy Division shirt. It's just a very oversized tee. And then I'm going to open this dollskill package on camera. I don't know. Maybe I'll use it for a different video, but I'm going to go ahead and open it. I'm so excited about this. So dollskill has been having a 30% off sale, just like every other brand has, I feel like. So I ordered some stuff. One thing I had been looking at for a while, but I didn't want to spend that much money on it, which I will show you guys what it is. Here we go. First thing, we have Broken Promises hoodie. I love the brand Broken Promises. I got a shirt by them. Okay, so this is what the front looks like. It just says Broken Promises. It has this little boy. I got a medium in this, but I always love the phrases or the quotes on Broken Promises stuff, and that's always why I'm intrigued to buy it. I love this, what it says on the back. It says, "You say I've changed, but have you ever considered maybe you were the one who changed me?" Here's the tag. Yeah, but I got this on dollskill. I basically got these pair of shoes for free because the jacket ended up being like $50 or $60, and then these were $20, but then it took off like $20, like $22, I don't know, I don't remember. I saw these shoes and I thought they would be so cute. Summer/spring. This is what they look like. They are by the brand Bamboo. They're called the Bamboo Ditch the Daydream Patent Sandals. These are really cute. Oh my gosh. They're basically like jelly shoes, platform shoes. But they just look like this. And these were like $28 or something. I don't know. They were super cheap actually. So I'm really excited about these. They're just like a cute shoe for like a picnic or something. I did dye my hair. Oh my gosh, this is so weird. I've never had my hair a different color other than black or brown. This is so weird. It's kind of patchy because I literally went from black to blonde, trying to go from black to blonde. If you know anything about dyeing hair, that's not easy. So yeah, this is what it looks like right now. Yeah, that's what I got today. I will be back tomorrow to show you guys what I get tomorrow.